comes slowpoke. We're just going to run a little old gas out of the boat today. Maybe try to pick up a crappie or two. Look who's here, the found girl.
Hi guys.
She's driving today. Hey look, we got some ducks. They look good with their little feet sticking right up out of that rice and gravy. Wild rice. Guys. Listen to those ducks. Listen to those. You know, duck season's coming, guys. Bye-bye. Yeah, when I said duck season, they carried it, didn't they? All right, baby. Just ease us out towards the Buzzard Island right there. Hey guys, we're on my home lake. This is where I grew up and learned to fish here and in Corpus Christi. This is in northwest Louisiana. It's a cypress lake. Not far from where I caught my very first brim. Less than a half mile from where the exact trees, it's a group of cypress trees where I caught my very first brim. About 5 years old, my daddy would take me back there and he'd scull. You guys don't know what sculling a boat is. The older folks do. It's when you get on the front of an old wood boat and you just use your paddle back and forth, pull yourself along. We didn't talk, we didn't make noise, and we caught a lot of fish. I learned to fish cypress trees. I don't like them. They hold a lot of fish. But we just wanted to come through here and poke around a little bit, nose around, and see the old fishing holes, because I've caught a great deal of fish back on this lake. Wrong way. Gotta go left. You can see back here, we're out at the edge of the woods right now, but these trees go back a long way. There's a couple of creek bottoms through there that you follow through and that you can follow with your depth finder or small john boat. We're lucky enough to have a shallow running bay boat that we can ease back in there. I can't get as far back in there as I used to with my children and my little 15-foot terry bass, but there's a lot of fish in there. water's down right now, as you can see. I don't know if you can see the edges of those trees, the bottoms of those cypress trees. The water's down about a foot. In fact, if we'll turn around, you can see the root structure. Part of the root structure is showing on the bottom of that tree. And if you've never fished cypress trees, they spread way out down low, and those fish will get down in there, especially the white perch or crappie, sac-a-lays, they call them in South Louisiana, which means sack of milk. And you get up there with a little tiny bait, a minnow maybe, and a small split shot, and just ease it down through those limbs down there when the water's up. And those fish will come up and get it, because crappie always feed up. They never feed below like a redfish does. They'll feed up. They don't point down, they look up. Anyway, there's no half-dead duck blind turned upside down. It's a water hazard I'm going to report when I get in. And right across here, not too far from here, is legendary guitar player's James Burton's house. We're going to go over there right now and see if he's out in his yard.
Sorry guys, but I've had to overdub the audio on this clip because the stupid mic adapter for the GoPro Hero 5 Black is acting up, and I lost all the audio. Anyway, behind me is the home of legendary guitar player James Burton. For those of you who aren't familiar with James, you probably know him from his pink paisley guitar when he played with Elvis Presley. But he did more than that. At age 15, he wrote and played the guitar track on the original Susie Q song. Most people credit James Burton with the invention of chicken picking guitar. It's the style of play that you hear right now, still on many country songs. He's a very sought-after session player, even in his later years. He began his career with Rick Nelson, went to Elvis, John Denver, Emmylou Harris, and the list of artists and albums he's played on is just endless. He's also a very nice guy. I can attest to that fact. I've had the good fortune of being able to meet him once or twice and chatted with him, and he's really a good guy. He does a lot in our community, and we're proud to call him a hometown boy. You probably saw me turning around hollering at him. I was saying, "Hey James, hey James." Well, James didn't come out, so obviously he wasn't too impressed. Anyway, I'm going to protect his privacy. I'm not going to disclose the exact location of his home. He's probably not here anyway, and I'm sure he's got plenty of burglar alarms. But we're kind of proud of James around here.
I'm just enjoying the sunset. She's gonna fish.